Welcome to Educate. Today, I'm gonna explain about the syllabus of Ekalavya Model Residential Schools, teachers recruitment. That is principal, vice principal, and TGT and PGT. Okay, these are the posts are there. Okay, related regarding these posts, the residential school has been the Ministry of Tribal Affairs has set up the syllabus. Let us know about the syllabus according to the posts. Okay, let us start. See here, syllabus of examination is that about principal and vice principal. The part 3 academics. Okay, that is first thing is child development and pedagogy. Dimensions of development, growth and development concept, principal factors and stages. Characteristics of stages of development with a special reference to the child and adolescence. Okay, adolescence, this is the one unit here. Understanding their needs and problems in context. Parenting styles, a concept and its impact on child development. Personality, meaning, nature, and assessment. Theories of child development. Here, under this theory of cognitive development by Piaget, and concept stages and implement implications of with special reference to Indian context. Next one, theory of social and emotional development by Erikson. Concept stages and implications with the special reference to India context. Kohlberg theory of moral development. It's a concept, stages, and implications with a special reference to Indian context. Okay. Next one, learner as a developing individual. In this unit, the intelligence, its meaning, nature, and the theories of intelligence are asked. Then next, measurement of intelligence, applications of intelligence tests asked. Okay. The next, creativity, the concept is a given concept and relationship with the intelligence techniques and for fostering creativity. The mental processes of learning, thinking concept, type of thinking, and divergent, convergent, critical and reflective, and lateral thinking. Okay, next one, the memory concept, types, strategies to develop memory, forgetting nature and causes, factors and strategies to minimize forgetting. Okay, these are the okay. See here, next one is the learning in socio-cultural perspective. Okay, that is agencies of specialization, a family, school, community, and their role in child development, social and cultural changes as a factors influencing a child development, impact of marginalization and stereotyping on child development with a special reference to gender and social and poverty, social class and poverty. Role of media in constructing and deconstructing perceptions and ways of dealing with the above issues. Okay. The next is perspectives in education and school organizations. Okay, under this one, the acts rights right of children to free and compulsory education 2009, and child rights POSCO Act, protection of child against corporal punishment in schools and institutions, National Education Policy 2020, Early Child Care and Education, Foundation of Learning, Foundational Literacy and Numeracy, an urgent necessary prerequisite to learning. After curtailing the dropouts rates and ensuring universal access to education at all levels, and curriculum pedagogy in schools learning should be holistic and integrated, enjoyable and engaging. Okay, next, after this, teacher and teacher education, equitable and inclusive education, and after efficient resources and effective government through school complex and clusters, a standard setting accreditation for school education, re-imaging vocational education, promotion of Indian languages, art, culture, online digital education, ensuring equitable use of technology. After this, school organization, school curriculum, meaning, principles, types of curriculum, organization approaches and institutional planning. Under this institutional plan and unit plan, lesson plans are there. Instructional material and resources, here textbook, workbook, supplementary material, audio visual aids, laboratories, library, clubs, museum, community, information and communication technology. Next, under evaluation, the types of evaluation is asked, and tools of evaluation, characteristics of a good test, continuous and comprehensive evaluation, and analysis and interpretation of a scholastic achievement test. Okay, next, rights and duties of principal, a vice principal in residential schools. Okay, here rights and duties of principals are given here as with reference to the different stakeholders. Okay, development and maintenance of facilities, assets, role of principal, vice principal in promoting excellence in academic co-curricular activities, promotion of ethics and values in academic institutions. Teaching, learning, understanding learning. Okay, learning concepts. See here, I'm going to explain all the syllabus here. If you want to note down that, just you pause the video and take a screenshot, or no, you pause and you write down in a white paper. Okay. Then, and here learning concepts are the learning strategies, role of teacher, school in relation to learning strategies, individual differences, concept types, causes and educational implications, learning paradigm and theories of learning, like connectivism theory and after conditioning theory and social constructive theory. Okay, these are there. Then after understanding teaching, under this teaching, the concept, characteristics, features and levels of teaching, and related concepts of teaching, like training, conditioning, instructions and indo indoctrination. Next, variables in the teaching process. Here the learning task, learning behavior, okay, learners characteristics and teachers behavior, each and everything have shown in this topic. Okay, next here social constructive approach in the teaching applications, like Berners and Asubel's Vygotsky's ideas in teaching. A phrase and model of teaching, models of teaching, phrase of teaching, pre-active, interactive and post-active. Next, models of teaching, meaning, need, principle, elements, basic teaching models like Gloucester concepts, attainment of model, Berners, and teaching strategies, brainstorming, stimulation, role playing, gaming, remedial teaching and enrichment programs. Next, part 4 is the administration. Completely it is under this one, that is CCA rules given, CCS rules are there, fundamental supplementary rules are there, and traveling allowance rules, leave travel allowances, medical attendance rules, pension rules, new pension schemes, general financial rules, and purchase, producer income tax and service taxes are there. Okay, these are the topics for principal and vice principals. Okay, once again I give you a glance on this one. Okay, paper 3, this is the syllabus for that. This is for paper 4, administration and finance. For PGT, TGT, see here part 3 is the teaching aptitude pedagogy is there. Okay, here under this National Education Policy 2020 and pedagogical concerns are given, curriculum, meaning principal types of curriculum, organizations, and planning is given, planning, year plan, unit plan, lesson plans are there, instructional material and resources, textbooks, workbooks, supplementary materials, as I said in the earlier, which is the syllabus which is for principal, as it is given under this one. Inclusive education is different topic for PGT, TGTs. Okay, it is not in principal and vice principal course. It is only for TGT and PGT. Understanding diversities, concept, types, disability as a dimension of diversity. Next, disability as a social construct and classification of disability and its educational implications. Philosophy of inclusion with a special reference to child with a disability. A process of inclusion, concern issues across disabilities, constitutional provisions, school readiness. Okay, these are the topics under inclusive education. Next, communication and interaction is given. Under this, the communication concepts, elements and process given, types of communication, communication and language, communication in classroom, barriers in communication. And after that, paper 4 is given here. Paper 4 that for PGT carries the syllabus from 12th class CBSE, unrevised syllabus 2020 and 21. Unrevised, it means old syllabus, I think, with difficulty level graduation. Okay, next for TGT, the syllabus is covered from 10th class CBSE unrevised syllabus 2020-21 with difficulty level up to 12th class. Okay, the PGTs who are wishing to take examination, they must complete the syllabus of social studies, whatever the regarding syllabus, science or arts, whatever it is, from 10th class. Okay, and they have to refer the intermediate books also, because the question paper standard or difficulty will reach the 12th class standard, so that 10th, 11, 12, these three classes they have to study. And after for PGT 12 to degree, okay, these 5 years books they have to uh, refer. Okay, this is the syllabus for principles, PGT, TGT. Okay, I hope this you have understood. If it is useful to you, just you share to your friends, and subscribe this channel for latest updates on latest job recruitments from the central government or the state government. Okay, thank you for watching this video.